Are you wondering which Canva templates are actually worth your time? Well, today I'm going to be rating 10 of Canva's most popular templates from 1 to 10. And they're going to be based on how versatile they are, how much money you can make with them, and how easy they are to use. So stick around if you want to see which template takes the number one spot as the most useful money-making design. Also, my name is Lauren, and if you don't know me, this is Carolina Canva Crew. If you're here because you just want to be part of a crew and you don't know where you fit in, welcome. You are always welcome in this space. If you're here because you like designing, you want to make money with those designs, you're definitely in the right place. So stick around. Without further ado, we'll get into the criteria for ranking templates. Okay, so here's some criteria for the ranking of templates that we're actually going to do today. We're going to talk about versatility. So, can this template be adapted for different uses? The profit potential for it. So, could this template actually be used to make money, like selling digital products or offering different services? And then, ease of use, how beginner friendly it is. So, number 10, this is coming in at number 10. I ranked it because it's fun and professional for video calls, but it's very niche in use. So it has a limited potential for making money unless you're targeting a specific audience like corporate or educators. And this one is Zoom backgrounds. So we'll just pull it up so that you can see it. This would be more geared towards professionals or content creators who are wanting more of a polished virtual meeting aesthetic, which is great. They're really cool, but they don't have much versatility or profit making potential or as much as other templates. So you have many different options here. I just wanted to take you through some of them so you can see it's very easy to change anything that you want. So the dates, your company name, you can add your logos in there. Overall, definitely a really good tool, but it is at number 10. Number 9, I've made that postcards. So we'll open up those here so you can see. Okay, so I made this number 9 because it is really great for creating custom thank you cards. They can be used for event invites or marketing materials even. So there is some potential for selling as printable designs on Etsy, but the demand is actually relatively low. These would be geared towards maybe some small business owners or even individuals that are wanting like maybe unique marketing pieces. So postcards are useful, but they're limited in how much that they can be monetized. So that one is number 9. Number 8 is infographics. So I ranked this number 8 because it's perfect for presentations. You can use them for blogs, social medias. But again, these also require niche knowledge to sell or to freelance them. So let's see, they're good for offering services to businesses that are needing some kind of data visualization. So we'll just kind of open this up here, but they're really geared towards maybe educators, marketers, or freelancers who may be offering some sort of design services. But infographics in themselves are very powerful, but they're better suited for freelancers or businesses rather than making money directly, if that makes sense. So we'll go on to number 7, which is presentation decks. There is actually many different types of presentations, but I ranked this number 7 because it can be very highly useful for businesses, for students, for professionals, and it really does have a good profit potential if you're selling customizable templates to business owners or even entrepreneurs of sorts. So the presentation templates themselves are highly valuable, but their use is more specific than maybe say a general design. So that's kind of why I ranked it in that. So we'll go on to number 6, which is Instagram stories. Let's see, and there is definitely a lot when it comes to social media in here. So I ranked this number 6 because it's really ideal for creating engaging content for influencers, for brands, for businesses and entrepreneurs. there is always going to be a high demand for these templates, and you can sell them on Etsy or any kind of creative marketplace, but it's slightly less versatile than other social media formats. I say that because the size of them, it's very easy when you're resizing like an Instagram reel to a TikTok video and things like that. So it's not as versatile as some, but there is an extreme need, and they are very valuable. So it's good for content creators, marketers, social media managers. And so if your audience is active on Instagram, these templates are just a fantastic choice for content creators and also for sales, right? Next is business cards. So we'll just type in, there's plenty of them, but this one, there's room for if you want a QR code or just a minimalist idea. We'll just open them up so that you can actually see them. But I named them number 5 because it's really a staple for any kind of entrepreneur, business owner, or any professional, right? There's a potential for freelancers here to offer custom designs as services. So it's great for small businesses, freelancers again, and agencies, I would say. So business cards are a classic moneymaker. They really don't ever go out of style, but they are less dynamic than some of the digital templates that you will actually find. So this brings me to number 4, which is planners and trackers. There is so many different kinds here. So I ranked it as number 4 because it's really perfect for selling on Etsy, personal use on your website, or offering it as some kind of a digital download. So it can be adapted for different niches. And this is what I'm saying. There's so many here, right? So think fitness, budgeting, health, goal setting. It's really good for small business owners, creators, side hustles, selling digital products. These templates have an excellent resale value towards them, and they're pretty much always in demand. So if you just type in trackers, you're going to get too many things to kind of pick from. So let's try something like fitness tracker. And you can do one also for, meal planning and goal tracking and all kinds of things. They are all editable. So you can take these, you can change some of the colors. Maybe you want to change some of the icons and graphics that are there, some of the wording. It really makes it easy to design and resell, but they're always in demand, like I said, so I picked that for number 4. The third one I have is ebook, and again, you really have to kind of be specific and narrow down what kind of thing you might be looking for. Otherwise, right here, you already have 2,300 templates that you would have to start looking for. So it is good to have some kind of idea when you're going into what kind of ebook or workbook you might be looking for, at least the style. So it's great for creating and selling digital products like guides, courses, or even maybe self-help content. That's actually really popular right now. It's definitely perfect for passive income strength. So it can be geared towards authors, coaches, online educators, any kind of freelancers. The books and the workbooks, the ebooks and the workbooks actually are really versatile, meaning you could just do so many things with them. If you have any kind of knowledge whatsoever, you can make an ebook. And so they're incredibly versatile. They're very profitable for anybody in the digital space, and they are not going anywhere. So that brings me to number 2, which is those social media template posts. And this is more of a general category, right? And I ranked this number 2 because it's really extremely versatile in the demand for businesses, influencers, marketers, right? They're very easy to create. They're very customizable, and you can sell them as pre-made template bundles as well. It's a very good thing to do. They're very easy to bulk create on here. And social media templates are always trending, and of course, they have a very high resale value and service potential. So they are definitely number two. But there is, when you type in social media posts or social media marketing, right, you're thinking YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Pinterest. There's so many different avenues that you could do. And if you found something that you really liked, like with branding and logos and or just like the aesthetic feel that you're going for, one of the really perfect things you can do in here is use these magic resize tools, and I can go in there and start to create a TikTok video, and then I resize it and I can sell the whole bundle, so these people can be posting those on all of their different socials, and they don't have to worry about sizing or the way it looks. So the potential here is absolutely huge. And if you stuck around this far, thank you, because now it's my number one, and this is definitely the perfect time of year, and I'm going to do a separate video all about this, but number one definitely takes the cake for me, and that's a vision board templates. Let's see. We'll just type in vision board so you can kind of see the different things, but I rank this number one because it's so universally appealing, right? Especially when we're talking about the start of the year and we're goal setting and we're planning things. It is great for selling for digital downloads, for creating content for social media, or your personal use and your family's use, right? It can be adapted towards multiple niches, wellness, career, travel, you name it. This is more for creators selling on Etsy or TikTok, influencers that are sharing goal setting tips, or anybody that's actually setting their own goals and wants to share that and have, their friends and followers kind of share along in their journey. So not only are they extremely popular, but they're also incredibly inspiring, right? And they're versatile. So making them, for me, the ultimate Canva template going into 2025. There are so many things you can do with them. You open them up, change the pictures you want. You could put your own pictures in there. You can get pictures from the internet. So maybe if you haven't been to the Bahamas, but that's on your vision board for 2025, then you put a picture of the Bahamas in there, and all you have to do is drag and drop. It is so user friendly, like I always say, and so that definitely is number one for me. So anywhere from Zoom backgrounds to the vision boards, Canva templates really offer something for everybody, but the key is just choosing ones that fit your goals, whether it's your personal use, whether you're freelancing, whether you're trying to start a side hustle or even replace your full-time income. Vision boards are my go-to because they're so motivating and they're easily adaptable. So if you liked this content today, or you found this helpful at all, or you just thought it was fun to rank things, please like, share, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. I certainly do appreciate that. I'm going to put that on my vision board, is to make some new friends here on TikTok, on YouTube. But other than that, I guess just let me know in the comments which one of these have you tried and you really liked, or which ones do you want to try. And I definitely want to know if you're doing a vision board, and if you feel comfortable sharing what's going to go on that vision board. I would absolutely love it. So until then, have a great day.